Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Autolock on XcelPay application. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, launch open XcelPay wallet application and you will be prompted to enter your PIN. Every time you force close your application, your XcelPay wallet will auto lock. So if you want to turn it off, simply go ahead and log into your wallet first. And once you are logged in, from the main home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Now, tap on security from the top of the screen and enter your current PIN for your wallet. Right where you can see the auto lock feature, simply tap on it and tap on never auto lock at the bottom. Soon after you turn on never auto lock, the auto lock feature on your XcelPay now will be turned off. But remember that disabling auto lock can potentially reduce security if your device is lost or stolen. Consider using other security measures like strong PIN code or biometric authentication to protect your XcelPay account. So that is how you can easily turn off auto lock on XcelPay application within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.